Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I did not touch my bike for around past 1.5 month. It has been very dirty. So in this video I will do a small chain cleaning on my bike, and you can observe that my bike's chain is completely worn out, and you can observe that my bike's chain is completely rusted. Now in this video I will show a small DIY trick uh, which can help you in cleaning off your chain by yourself. Now without wasting much time, let's get started, and you're watching BVJTECH Motor Riders. We require a motor chain spray, which is the best chain sprays in its segment. We can also use a toothbrush for cleaning of the chain. Take approximately 100 ml of petrol, which is helpful for cleaning the rust in the chain. First step we have to do is we should take the petrol and pour it in a jug, and with the help of a toothbrush we can use it to clean the chain. Why we are using petrol is the main reason behind this is the petrol has some of the ingredients and chemicals which allows the chain rust and other grease materials to remove off from the chain easily without much difficulty. So we are using petrol in here. Now clean the chain perfectly so that all the grease and other materials will come out of the chain. Rub the chain with the help of the brush in all the directions with petrol so that all the grease and the rust particles which are deposited on the chain will be worn out. Do this process for at least 2 to 3 times so that all the waste materials will be easily come out from the chain, and we can after apply the chain spray easily. Now in the step 2, fill the jug with petrol and with the help of toothbrush again repeat the process so that all the waste particles from the chain will be easily worn out. Rub the chain with the help of the brush in all the directions with petrol so that all the grease and the rust particles which are deposited on the chain will be worn out. Do this process for at least 2 to 3 times so that all the waste materials will be easily come out from the chain and we can after apply the chain spray easily. Clean the chain as much as you can to remove all the dust and waste impurity particles which are deposited in the chain. This chain cleaning will help in better performance of the chain. Now in the step 3, we have to take a dry cloth and with the help of the dry cloth wipe off the chain from all the directions and we can see that the chain literally shines, and with the help of this cloth all the dirt and the grease particles which are present in the chain will be easily worn out, and you can easily see that the dry cloth will have all the contaminants you can see in the screen. And now gently rub the cloth in all the directions so that the chain is completely cleaned with the removed grease and oils. Now, step 4 is we have to take the chain loop that is powered by motor company, and we can, with the help of this chain loop, we can loop the chain in all the directions which are possible to us. And why I am using the motor chain loop is it has a very sticky substance which lubricates the chain and gives a better performance by sticking the material to the chain, and the quality of this loop is very premium. Similarly, unlike the other chain loops, this chain loop doesn't get down its performance. Some of the chain sprays fall down when they are applied to the chain, but this chain loop will stick to the chain and maintain a better bond. Now apply the chain loop in all the directions and make sure that the chain loop is not fall down very much, and make sure that the chain loop is lubricated in between the rings of the chain, not in the outside edge of the chain. You can see that I am looping the chain in the inside edge so that all the materials which are present in the loop will be easily stick to the chain, and this chain loop is one of the best in its segment. If you guys liked this video, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and comment down below what do you think about this video and a DIY trick which is helpful for you at doing your chain loop in your home. And thanks for watching, and this is Vinith Vama signing off.